Hi, my name is Nick, Klober's Portfolio Manager, and today we're going to be installing one of our verge products, the Continuous Dry Verge. So this is the T-strip, T for tiles, one of our most popular continuous dry verge products. When we say continuous dry verge, we have a neat continuous line down the verge of the roof, offering more of a contemporary finish to the roof line. It's ideal for use with flat interlocking tiles, thin leading edge, and also low to medium format interlocking concrete roof tiles. So the main purpose of the dry verge is to protect the area at the edge of the roof, which we call the verge, as well as providing a secondary mechanical fix in accordance with BS 5534. So traditionally the verge on the roof is pointed in mortar, which can be both time consuming and messy. So these modern day verge systems allow a maintenance free roof whilst getting rid of all the mess. So now we're going to have a look at how we fix it. The top of the gable wall should be reasonably level and free from obstruction, and the roofing underlay should be carried across the cavity and overhang the gable wall by approximately 50mm. Firstly, you will need to cut your verge into the desired length, making sure the verge strip is taken up to the apex of the ridge. Position the T-strip into place, ensuring the vertical section sits tight against the gable brickwork or barge board. The horizontal flange should be fixed securely by screwing or nailing into the brickwork or end rafter at a minimum of 1 metre centres. Today we're using the T-strip connectors to facilitate a change in pitch or sprocket detail. To do this, we've cut the T-strip around 400mm short of the eaves. These may not always be required, but depending on the tile type and eaves arrangement, they may help to ensure water is carried into the gutter. Any short length would require a second mechanical fix. These connectors are slid onto the end of the T-strip and will allow a change in pitch of up to 15 degrees. You will also need to cut a section of the horizontal flange away to allow fitting of the underlay support tray at the eaves. Once the verge is in place, you are now ready to secure the tiling battens. Ensure the battens are positioned flush to the lip of the drainage channel. When retrofitting, you should ensure the battens finish flush with the outer face of brickwork or barge board. Once you're confident that the verge is securely fixed, the roof is now ready for tiling. The tiles should be extended fully into the verge strip where they'll be held in place. A ridge end cap or a mitered cut can be used to finish off at the apex. Remember, you should always seek professional guidance when installing Klober's products. If you are struggling, please contact Klober's technical department for further assistance or visit klober.co.uk.